Is your Klaviyo account showing the wrong name? Learn to fix it in under 2 minutes. We'll jump into your profile settings, update both name fields, save, and then confirm it's visible on your home screen. All right, start by clicking on your profile icon in the lower left corner. That's where your account menu lives. Then, from that menu, go ahead and click on Settings to open up your account preferences. Now, on the Settings page, look for the first name field in the Personal Details section. Go ahead and type in your first name there, exactly how you want it to appear. And then type in your last name as well, right in the field below it. Once you've filled in both fields, click Save to make the change stick. Finally, head over to Home to see your updated name in action. And with that, you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.